Alright, Christmas 2008. Comes our chair.
Race car.
Hi, Mason.
Wow. A baseball bat.
Did Santa come?
What the heck? A baseball bat.
Hey, Mace.
He got a banjo.
Yeah, look at all this stuff, Santa.
Banjo.
Yeah, banjo. Santa brought Daddy a banjo. What do you think, guys?
Oh, look at that.
What's that?
Look.
Alright. And look, Santa ate his cookies and crab cake. And the reindeer ate the carrot. And they left a note.
Oh,
He left a letter.
They left a... Oh, yeah. Look what I got.
What's that?
Gotcha. Gotcha.